Alright guys, so welcome to this video. So in this video you are going to be learning how to generate AI images of yourself. Right, so if you ever wanted to learn how to generate AI images using a particular app, this video is going to show you how. So stick with me to the end of the video to discover the name of the app and to learn how to generate stunning AI images for yourself. So when you open the app, I'll let you guys know the app later in the video, so stick with me. So when you open the app, this is where you select the gender, right? So you select your gender, male, female, right? So select, I'm a male, so I'm going to be selecting the male gender. What you are going to do next, you are going to upload 8 selfies, right? You are going to upload 8 selfies of yourself. Those 8 selfies is what the AI app is going to use to create your AI images, right? So I have some images saved here, right? I have some images saved up somewhere. All right, so here we go. So these are my images that I want to use, right? So I'm simply going to select 8 images from this folder here. Okay, so I click on albums for AI. Why is it not? Okay, it's actually selecting. Okay, I don't know if I can select multiple images though. I should be able to select multiple images. Seems I can't select multiple images, so I think we just have to select it one after the other, right? So we select the images one after the other, right? So that's the 3rd image. So move to the 4th image. The 4th image, okay, let's select this as the 4th image. Then the 5th image. Okay, I'm trying to do this as fast as possible. 5th. Then move to the 6th. 3 more images to go. Right, 3 more images to go. Okay, let's select this as the 6th image. Then 7th image. Our 7th image. Select this as our 7th image. And our final image. Select this as our final image. Okay, select a good one. Okay, let me select this. All right, so after selecting all your images, right, so you simply click continue. Right, so when you click continue, the AI app is going to ask you to select a particular model, right? So you are going to be selecting a particular model for your images, right? So we have different model right here, right? So you can see this is a baby firefighter, right? So you can see this muscular man here, you can see this man in suit. So we are going to be selecting a particular model, right? We'll select a particular model for our image. So I'm simply going to be selecting this guy. I think I like this trendy model, so I'm selecting this guy in black jacket. So we're going to go with this. Here we go. So I'm going to be using this AI model. So you give the AI app some time to upload your images, right? So it's going to upload your photos. So these photos is what the AI app is going to use to generate your AI images. So that didn't take so long, right? So guys, so if you are using this app for the first time, you are going to have to wait for about 6 minutes. Yes, 6 minutes before your photos come out, before your AI images come out, right? So you're actually going to give it some time. So after using it for the first time, when you have generated images with the app for the first time, the next time you are going to generate images using the app is not going to take that long. I'm simply going to skip to when the AI app has generated my images, right? So I don't want you guys to wait that long. I don't want you guys to wait for 6 minutes. Alright guys, so we have this image that this app has generated for us. I'm not going to be revealing the name of the app just yet, right? I'll reveal the name of the app at the end of this video. So stick with me to the end of this video so that you can get the name of the app that I used to generate these images. Okay, so now that this app has generated our images for us, so we are simply going to be selecting the images that we want. This is how it works. So when you swipe, you're actually deleting the image, right? So if you don't like a particular AI image, you simply swipe and it gets deleted. So I actually don't want this image. I don't want this image. So I'm simply going to swipe. I don't like it. So I have another image here. I don't like this one too. So I swipe off. Right, so I think I like this one. This one looks pretty cool. This one actually looks better. So I'm simply going to go with this. So any image you want to go with, you simply download it using the download button, right? So I think this one is also cool. So I'm simply going to download this one too. Right, so this one doesn't look too cool. So I'm simply going to swipe off. Right, so now I want us to generate more images. So we're simply going to change the model of our image. Right, so click here, click on change image model. So I'm simply going to go with another model for our image. So let's go with something corporate. Let's go with something professional. So say we can select maybe a police officer or a doctor. So I think I like the model of a warrior. So let's check out the model of a warrior and see how it looks like. So you simply click this, use this model image. Alright, so you can see the images that this app has generated for us. So this is an image of me, a warrior image of me. I think I actually like this image, but I look very, very dark in it. So I think I will just simply save this image. Okay, and this, I actually don't like this. So I'm simply going to swipe away from this image. Although the costume looks, I like the costume, but I don't like the face. So I'll simply click off this. I think I actually like this. This is one of the best images I've generated so far. So I'm simply going to download this. I think I like this too. This looks very, very nice. I think I like this. So I'll simply download this. I like the background of this image. I like the costume. I like everything about it, but I don't like the face. So I'll just simply delete this. Right, so I think this one looks fair enough. So I'm simply going to download this. Right, so the app has simply brought this video. Right, so I want us to save the video. So you can decide to save it or not. So I simply click on yes, save the video. So I want us to generate one more image, one more model. So I'm simply going to select one more model to generate our AI images with. Alright guys, so like I said, I want us to generate another set of AI photos using another model. So simply click on change model. Right, so let's go with something more professional. So we can say like a doctor. So I'm going to selecting this model. So we're going to be using this model. Right, so it's going to take some time. So let's just get right into it. I don't want you guys to wait that long. Alright guys, so our AI app has generated these images. So I think I actually love this image. So I'm simply going to download this. I love this too. So I'm simply going to go with this. And this too, I'll simply go with this. Yes, download. I think this one is also nice too. So I'm simply going to download this too. Wow, it seems this doctor profession actually fits me a lot. So I'll just simply download this too. I think all AI images. So I think all doctor AI images that were generated, I think I love everything. So after downloading your images, the AI app also brings out a video that you can download. So I'm simply going to save this video. Right, save the video, give it a little time, just a few seconds, and good, the video is saved on our gallery. Right, so guys, one more thing, you can actually also use this app to enhance your photos. Right, you can use it to enhance your photos. Right, so give for example, let me pick a photo of mine. Right, so let me pick this photo and let's try and enhance this picture. Let's improve the quality of the picture. Right, so let's improve the quality of the picture. So the picture is actually being enhanced at the moment. So you can see the app has actually enhanced my picture. Right, so this is how it has enhanced my photo. You can still make a little changes here, right? You can click on colors, do a little edits, right? You can also improve the background and also use face beautifier, right? So that is what the app can do, right? So you can generate AI photos of yourself, clean, beautiful and stunning AI photos of yourself. You can also enhance your pictures, right? You can enhance your pictures to make them look much more stunning, much more better, right? So I'm simply going to download that. I'm done enhancing my photo, so give it some seconds to download, and there we go, our photo has been saved, right? So now guys, one more thing before we end this video, right? So the name of the app is Remini, right? Remini. Go to Google Play Store and download the Remini app, right? So you can use the app to enhance your photos. You can use the app to generate AI photos of yourself. If you want to generate AI images for another person apart from yourself, simply click on this settings icon. Click on that settings icon and click on retrain model, right? So it's going to actually clear the whole model that you have been using. So you click on yes, delete model, right? So after you have done that, you can simply select another gender, right? You can select if you want to generate AI images, maybe for your sister, for your babe, for your girlfriend, or for any other person apart from you. So you can simply do that. Click on female, right? Then you upload 8 selfies, right? You upload 8 selfies that you want to use. So you can always generate AI images for another person using the app. Alright guys, so if you got value from this video, feel free to leave a like on the video. Leave a like on the video, like this video, so that YouTube recommends this video to more people, recommends this video to more persons, right? So hit the subscribe button, subscribe for more content like this, hit the notification icon to get notified when a new video drops. I remain Fola George. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you very much for watching.